Hey, bud. Hey, Miller. Miller, what's outside there? Is there water? Is there water out there? Hey, bud. Did you hear those geese that just went by? Miller. Did you hear those geese? No? Geese? Yeah? The geese, they're in the water. Hey. Do you want to take your basketball? What do you want to do with it? Can you throw it? Can you throw your basketball?
Geese?
Geese? There's some water. Let me see you throw that. Give it a good throw. Give it a good throw. Throw it. You know what to do. You're being funny. You're being shy for the camera, aren't you?
Ball.
Ball. Basketball. Bub. Basketball.
Ball.
Yeah, there's a big basketball out there in the backyard. Sure is.
Ball.
Yeah.
Ball. Ball.
Oh, you want to go see it? Well, we might be able to later.
Ball.
But you're kind of sick today, buddy. You're still getting over something.
Ball.
Hey, Miller. Do you want some water? Want some water? Yeah?
Ball.
Want some water? Oh, you putting it in the basket?
Ball.
Nice. Can you put the basketball in there? Hey, buddy. Can you say Nana? Hey, Miller. Can you say Nana?
Ball. Ball.
Oh, good shot. That was a good try. Oh, here's the ball. Wanna try again? Oh, good throw.
Ball.
Good throw.
Ball.
There's your other balls. Good throw. Good throw. Look at you. You got it. Nice job, buddy. What are you gonna do with those now? Whoa.
Ball.
All right. Oh, good job.
Ball. Ball.
Whoa. Whoa. Good throw. What you doing now? Hey, Miller. 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 Can you say Nana?
Nana.
Can you say Papa?
Baba.
Can you say Daddy?
Daddy.
Can you say Mommy?
Mama. Mama.
Can you show me where your nose is? Good. Where's your ears? Good. Where's your mouth?
Mama.
Where is your where's your knee?
Knee.
Your knee. That's a new one, your knee. That's Miller. Oh, you're saying me. That's Miller. Me. Where's your foot? Where's your foot? There it is. Where's your tummy? Good tummy. Good job. Good boy. Where's your hair? Where's Miller's hair?
G.
Oh, all done.
Baba. Ball.
Ball, ball. Alright. Good throw.
Baba blow.
Alright, buddy. Say bye-bye.